Have you ever imagined holding an entire self-sustaining forest right in the palm of your hand? What if I told you that inside a simple glass container, plants can create their own tiny world, recycling water, breathing life, and thriving almost effortlessly? And the best part, you don't need to be an expert gardener to make one. In today's beginner-friendly guide, we're diving into the magical world of terrariums, starting from simple glass jars and then stepping up into stunning geometric terrariums that look like living art pieces. We'll walk through everything step by step, from choosing the perfect container to layering your ecosystem, selecting the right plants, and even pro-level care tips to keep it alive and thriving. By the end of this video, you won't just understand terrariums, you'll be ready to build your own miniature universe. Step 1. The container. Let's start with the foundation, your container. You can use a simple glass jar, and it works perfectly fine. But if you really want to elevate your terrarium into something eye-catching and modern, geometric glass terrariums are the way to go. These angular designs don't just hold plants, they transform them into sculptural centerpieces. They reflect light beautifully, create depth, and instantly give your space a premium designer look. That's why they're incredibly popular, not just for home decor, but also as handmade products you can actually sell. And here's something exciting. You don't have to buy them. You can actually make your own geometric terrarium at home using printable DIY templates. I've included a downloadable PDF in the description that shows you exactly how to build these shapes step by step, so don't miss that.
Craft luxury terrariums with Ceylon Moss Studio. Get expert templates for geometric glass and living ecosystems. Subscribe and hit the bell for more.
Drainage and soil. Now let's build the ecosystem from the ground up. Start with a layer of small stones or gravel. This is your drainage layer, also known as the false bottom. Next, add a thin layer of activated charcoal. This keeps your terrarium fresh by filtering impurities and preventing unwanted odors. The secret to a thriving ecosystem is the right substrate. We use a professional blend of cocoa peat, orchid bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss. Mix these thoroughly to ensure superior aeration and drainage. Your custom-crafted soil is now ready for planting. Finally, add your terrarium soil, a light, well-draining mix that gives your plants the perfect environment to grow. Hardscaping. Now comes the creative part, hardscaping. Add small rocks, pebbles, or even pieces of driftwood. Think of this as designing a natural landscape, like mountains, forests, or riverbanks, but in miniature. Planting. Carefully place your plants into the soil. Use tweezers or your fingers to gently position them without damaging the roots. Give each plant a little space. It helps them grow and keeps your design clean and balanced. Now let's talk about choosing the right plants. For this build, here are a few beginner-friendly options. Try peperomia. It's compact, stylish, and thrives in humid environments. You can also use baby tears, which creates a soft, carpet-like greenery. And for a touch of height and texture, go with button fern. It adds a delicate forest feel. Watering and sealing. Lightly mist your terrarium with water. Don't overdo it, just enough to make the soil slightly damp. Then close the lid. This is where the magic begins. The water cycle starts, and your terrarium becomes a self-sustaining ecosystem. Now, here are two important care tips to keep your terrarium thriving. First, place it in bright, indirect sunlight. Too much direct sun can overheat the container and damage your plants. Second, watch the moisture levels. If you see too much condensation, open the lid for a few hours. If it looks dry, give it a light mist. Balance is the key to a healthy ecosystem. And just like that, you've created your own miniature world, alive, beautiful, and constantly evolving. Terrariums are more than just decoration. They're a way to bring nature indoors in the most artistic way possible. Don't forget, you can download the Geometric Terrarium DIY templates from the description and start building your own unique designs today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What kind of terrarium are you planning to create next?